Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to SK Academy of Mathematics. Today we are going to learn how to solve the matrix norm considering the two set of matrix, that is A and B. The order of the matrix is 3 cross 3. Considering these two matrix, I am going to represent one norm and infinite norm of A comma B and A into B. But we have A and B, but we don't have A into B. First, let us find A into B, then let us find one norm and infinity norm. One of the most easiest concept to represent the solution. First, let us represent the given solution A, which is equal to the matrix 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, 1, 2, and B, which is equal to 1, 3, 0, minus 1, 2, 1, 0, 0, 2. Okay, now we are supposed to find A into B. That is, A into B is given by 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, 1, 2, close the bracket, into the matrix 1, 3, 0, minus 1, 2, 1, 0, 0, 2. Now, using the calculator, you can represent A cross B. That is, either you can go with respect to first row, first column, first row, second column, and first row, third column. You get this solution by using the calculator. You can represent directly. Okay, that is, if you simplify using the calculator, you have 2, 3 equals 4, and 1 equal 2 equal to 3, and minus 1, 1 and 2, and the next matrix will be 1 equal 3 equal 0 equal to minus 1, 2, 1 equal to 0, 0, 2. If you give the values, you get the A cross B minus 1, 12, 11, minus 1, 7, 8, minus 2, minus 1, 5. This will be the A into B matrix, that is minus 1, 12, 11, minus 1, 7, 8, and minus 2, minus 1, 5. Considering this set of matrix, now we are going to find one norm. That is, to find one norm or column norm, first let us find norm A1. Norm A1. Since I have told, while representing the matrix, we are supposed to add column wise. Norm column wise, that is modulus 2 plus modulus 1 plus modulus minus 1. Next, modulus, okay, represent maximum, which is maximum of, next modulus, we have 3 plus 2 plus modulus 1. Next we have 4 plus 3 plus modulus 2, which will be equal to maximum. Since we are going to simplify with respect to column wise, represent it in column wise itself. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. Next, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. The value is 9. The maximum of norm, okay, norm A1, 1 should be outside. Norm A1, which is equal to norm A1 equal to 9. Similarly, let us go with respect to norm B1. Norm B1, which is equal to maximum of the matrix. Add column wise. See, first let us add 1, modulus 1 plus modulus minus 1 plus modulus 0. Next we have modulus 3 plus modulus 2 plus modulus 0. Next we have 0 plus 1 plus 2, which will be equal to maximum of the column, represented in the column. 1 plus 1, 2, next 3 plus 2, 5, next 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 2, 3. Maximum equal to 5. Done. Next, norm A into B1, maximum of the matrix, again represent modulus minus 1 plus modulus minus 1 plus modulus minus 2 plus, next we have next we represent modulus 12 plus modulus 7 plus modulus minus 1. Next we have modulus 11 plus modulus 8 plus modulus 5. Add the term which is equal to maximum of, represent column wise itself, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4. Next 12 plus 7 19, 19 20. Last 11 plus 8 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. The highest value is 24. This we represent it as what? One norm or the column norm, that is 9, 5 and 24. Next we are going to represent what? Infinity norm. Second one, we are going to represent infinity norm or row norm. Just add row wise, that's it. First, okay, that is norm A1, norm A infinity. Now we have completed norm A1. Now norm A infinity, which is equal to maximum of the matrix, add row wise, modulus 2 plus modulus 3 plus modulus 4. Next we have modulus 1 plus modulus 2 plus modulus 3. Next modulus minus 1, modulus 1 plus modulus 2, which will be equal to maximum of the row wise, 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 4 9, comma 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6. Next 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4, maximum is 9. Next we have norm B infinity. Norm B infinity equal to maximum of the matrix B, that is modulus 1 plus modulus 3 plus modulus 0. Next modulus minus 1, modulus 2 plus modulus 1. The last modulus 0 plus modulus 0 plus modulus 2, which is equal to maximum of the row 1 plus 3 4, comma 1 2 3, 3 plus 1 4, comma 2. The maximum is 4. The last is norm A into B infinity, maximum of the matrix modulus minus 1 plus modulus 12 plus 11. Next we have modulus minus 1 plus modulus 7 plus modulus 8 and modulus minus 2 plus modulus minus 1 plus 5, which is equal to maximum of, see, use the calculator to represent the solution. 1 plus 12 plus 11, you get 24, and 1 plus 7 plus 8, you get 16, comma next 2 plus 1 plus 5, you get 8. The highest is 24. 9 4 24 is the what? No, infinity norm of the given matrix A, B and A, B infinity. First, what we are supposed to represent? We are going to represent the matrix A, B, then multiply A into B, consider A matrix, B matrix and A, B matrix. Considering these three matrices, we are representing one norm, that is column. For A1 norm, you get 9 as maximum, and B1 norm, you get maximum 5, and AB1 norm, you get 24. And similarly, infinity norm, A infinity norm, you get 9, B infinity, you get 4, and AB infinity, you get 24. In column norm, just add the matrix with respect to column wise. In infinity norm, add the matrix with respect to row wise. Add, represent the solution. When you apply modulus, it becomes minus to positive. I hope you have understood each and every step of the matrix norm. For more videos, please do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you.